Hi guys. Okay, so today I made cookies with my mom, which is something new because I don't like cooking. I'm holding something weird. I don't know what this is. Anyway, so we made chocolate chip cookies. They actually turned out pretty good, and I recorded some of it, so I'm going to put that up in just a second. And then I've got this idea for an inspirational video. I've got a couple of ideas and stuff written out, and I think I'm going to do this, sequence, like I'm going to do one video, and then another, one video, and then another, and then another. I've got the two planned out, but I'm not 100% sure what the third one's going to be. Anyway, so, let's just get to the cookies part. This is the raw version. Cooked version. The stove cooking version. I made cookies! Just waiting on the other batch to be finished. I guess we would make 68, and we made 69. I don't know how I got that close. So close! It was just within my grasp. Darn it! 11:43. An hour ago we put the first batch in. We had already been at the counter preparing it for some time. It was supposed to be 36. It turned into 69. And this is what happened while I was doing that. Good God. That's not even all the messes in the kitchen. Okay, well, that was interesting. That last bit that I had in there was time-lapse. I actually stood there for 8.5 minutes watching the last batch rise. And they only had 9, I think, on them. I had made 12 on every tray except that one. It had 9, so it cooked for less time. That took a lot of patience. And actually I was planning on, at 2 minutes in I stopped it and I said something about this takes a lot of patience, which I don't have, and then I keep on going, and at 4 minutes I zoom in and zoom out, and just a couple of goofy things that didn't work out because of technical issues. I basically couldn't edit it the way that I wanted it to. I wanted to edit it so that just some parts were sped up really fast so that I could watch the cookie dough rise, but it took forever, and the app I'm using wasn't working. So I tried to use my brother's computer, but the files weren't compatible with Windows Movie Maker. So I tried to convert them to MP3, or it might have been AVI, and that took even longer. It took 4 hours for me to do one 8.5-minute long video. And then just as it was almost done, I accidentally exited out and had to start over. So I gave up on that and tried a different app where I just fast forward through the whole thing, as you saw. No pausing, unfortunately. But it was pretty cool. So if you liked that, leave a comment. This is, I guess, going to be my vlog for today. What is today? Today's Monday. Monday, December 12th? 11th? 12th. I'm gonna go with 12th. 2016 vlog. I apologize for the bad editing. You make do with what you got. But yeah, I hope you liked it. If you did, leave a like. Leave a comment if you want. I'm accepting challenges, reactions. I keep saying I sound like a retard, but whatever. And see, subscribe if you want to. I just say at every pause. Every pause I have. So subscribe if you want to. More videos like this coming, hopefully soon. Bye!